Okay, hi! Back again with another video. This time it's a wig review. But if you're interested in how I did this makeup, there is a makeup tutorial for this as well. It's either coming soon or it's out now. If it's out now, I'm going to link it up here. Or is it here? I think it's here. Or you could just check my channel. But for now, this is a wig review. SuperbWigs just sent me another wig. Here we go, SuperbWigs. Hair company. Let's open it up. I've already had one of their wigs before, if you remember, it was a pink one, and I know that it does come with wig caps. So, I have not got my hair in a wig cap, I've got my natural, ow jeez. Oh. Anyway, there's a box, nice box, it's a slidey thing with a box underneath, just hit myself in the face with it. Can recommend you do that, and here is the wig. Isn't that beautiful? Oh! So, yes, like last time, it came with a black wig cap, a blonde wig cap, and hair itself is purple, comes in a black net. And I've got to say, I kind of like the style in the net. Can you imagine that on your head? That's kind of nice. Since I have blonde hair and I'm more this skin tone, I'm going to wear this one, even though the wig is dark, because if you see through the lace, you want to see the pattern, I'd rather it be my skin colour than not. Like last time, I expect this to be quite a tight one, and I am expecting it to take half my forehead makeup off with it. I'm wearing like a cycling thing, but then like I'm giving motorcycle vibes with this jacket, so basically today's concept is some sort of biker who wears way too much makeup and dangerous hoop earrings. Okay. Ooh, jeez, the glow. Oh, jeez, oh my god. This is not the right way to put a wig cap on, I'm telling you now, but I have a full face of makeup that I do not want to ruin. Hence this. Get your hair out the way. If you have no hair, even better I suppose. If you have longer hair, put it into braids and then just tie them up back. Basically, if you've got hair, you want it in the small of your neck, you want it all collected there, because like, that's where it doesn't really matter what happens. You've got space there, and if the wig can't go under, you just pull the wig over it. Or maybe it'll give you some extra volume in the back if the wig's on top of it, which will make you look prettier, I guess. Helps people with big noses, that gives them depth. Time for the wig. So it comes in a lovely black net, but we've all seen these before, so just take that out. Out comes this as well. And here it is. Oh my god. So this is a synthetic lace front wig. It is purple. Purple. Dark purple. That's beautiful. Let me just find out what exactly style this is. I believe this is in the colour AMARYLLIS. First things first, AMARYLLIS. Second things second. What a colour. This is more of a true, like, grape purple. Is my exposure too high? It's because the wig's so dark, it's trying to like pick it up. So let's see if I lower this. You can get a sense for just how dark the wig is, which I think is truly interesting. To have, normally I wear like light coloured wigs, or, you know, if the wig is a colour, it's a vibrant colour. So to have a dark coloured wig, so I can still do like dark haired looks, but it's purple. And it's not like black with a tint of purple, it is purple. You know the drill? I'm going to try it on, and then I'm going to take it off, and then cut the lace off, then put it on properly. And the style it's in, I can't tell if it's meant to be straight, or if it's meant to have this thick body wave to it, or if that's just a result of how it's been packaged. But I probably will straighten this one day, because I think that sleek look really suits her, but I kind of do like this wave as well, because it's just like, it's just got like thick body to it. Oh, I'm so excited to put this on there. Let's put it on. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I'm looking cool. I'm going to take this jacket off because, honestly, I can't move my arms very much. And when I'm trying to film a wig review, it's not the most helpful thing. Oh, this looks so nice. And like the last wig I reviewed from SuperbWigs, the whole of the front is lace, so you can change the parting, put it wherever you want. You can be lazy and just move it over like that yourself, but that's not how you should do it. You should put the wig on where it's meant to be, and then change the parting yourself. So for example, I always like a left parting, so when it's not caught in my earrings, but it's easier done with heat straighteners, or let's say like, you know, steaming it in place rather than trying to do it with your hands, because right now it has been set and styled into place with center parting, so it's going to take a little bit more persuasion to switch it to a side parting. Oh, is it? Okay, maybe not. Jeez. And can we talk about how pretty this is? Now, I look a bit striking today because I look really pale with these dark blue lips, but I just felt like it's a bit cliche to do like dark makeup with dark hair, but I just thought I'm gonna do it because I wanted an opportunity to wear dark lips. I was wearing dark red lips and I thought, what's darker than that other than black? And it goes well with the orange, and there's just a really nice and interesting colour story going on right now. This is so nice. It's so soft, by the way. It's really soft. You can just run your fingers through it and it's just like, oh. I'm gonna have to wear this with like different looks because I feel like this is such a versatile wig. You could wear this, it doesn't have to be a dark look like this, you could wear it with a lighter look and the purple would just go so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace off, and if you don't know how to do that, basically what you do is you've got your lace here that comes about a few inches, but obviously that's in the way. So you get your scissors and you cut it. So you see where the hairline is? You cut it about just a little bit in front of the hairline, like a centimetre, maybe 2. If it's your first time, leave a little bit more, because that is the bit that you will then be sticking to your head, and if it's lace, if it's a good lace, you probably won't see it anyway, or you're not fooling anyone if you're a drag queen, in which case it's fine. Depends what you're doing it for. Some people cut it all the way up to the hairline, and then, you know, like to glue the whole thing on their heads. You can do that with this wig. I'm going to leave a little bit of lace because I only ever wear these things for performance purposes, so it's under strong light or it's modelling, or, you know, basically I'm not fooling anyone when I'm wearing a wig, so I do not mind leaving quite a bit of lace. It gives it some longevity and some strength. While I'm cutting the lace, I get to have a look at the hairline as I'm doing it. The hairline is lovely. Now, you can always make a hairline more realistic by tweezing it and just pulling out every few hairs, just so the hair's a bit more sparse and sporadic and not as quite as perfect as wigs make hairlines look. And here is me cutting the last bit of the lace off. There's our lace we've just got off. Here's what's left on the wig, and now that is ready to get thrown on our big old head. Here we go. Before I put it on, here's a view of the cap inside. Don't know if you can see that, but it's a very, very nice fitting, well made cap. Look at all the hair tracks in there. Do you want to shut up? It just feels nice as soon as it's wrapped around my head. It feels like it's like comforting and cooling my head. It's lovely. It's lovely. Oh, whoa. So, like the last wig by SuperbWigs, the pink one that I had, this one also has a great hairline. Ooh, tell me what looks you would be interested in seeing me do with a purple wig. I love this wig. But it's not all about me, it can also be about you. If you want one of these now, go to SuperbWigs' website, which is superbwigs.com, SuperbWigs.com. Use the code AVA when you're checking out, that's me, AVA. You get $8 off your purchase, which is a significant amount of the price. I think I worked out that that's like 20% or something. $8 off their purchase, but I also have some little insider information about this website. If you buy 5 wigs or more, you get their wholesale price. So, some advice from me. You could do that as well. But use the code AVA at checkout and you'll get $8 off, which, who can be mad about that? So, you can, of course, with a hairline like these, it goes all the way around to here, so you could, like, glue it down and then, like, wear it behind your ear. But I kind of like this sleek, center-parted moment that I'm experiencing right now. And since you can't see my ears, that's fine. You don't really need to. And this is, of course, straight out the bag. You could style it. These wigs are heat-resistant. You can heat them. You can steam them. Oh, I'm just, like, absolutely feeling myself in this. Okay, so there's my left parting, which I always gotta do. Oh, it's so much prettier. It's even prettier. Oh, and even like back and off the face and up, it's just, this is such a good wig. I like this dark purple. I never would have thought of wearing a dark purple wig. Okay, I do need to steam this out into the proper parting so it stops flapping in my face like that. So, you like this wig? Let me know in the comments if you like this wig, if you like this video, If you want to see more opinions and reviews from me, check out my channel. I have a lot of them. I have a lot of stuff that I review, and I only review stuff and say something good or bad if it's truthful. And when I review stuff, I'm honest about it because, let's be real, if I get sent something, it's mine. They're not exactly going to take it off me, so I don't really need to make a good review about things. So if I'm going to make a good review, it's a good product. Alright, so if you want some more honest reviews, please check out my other reviews. If you want to see me do this makeup, check out my makeup tutorial. Or if you want to see lots of other makeup tutorials, such as how to feminize your face, how to do like typical drag makeup, I have a series about Drag 101, I have full body transformations, just check out my channel. I have all sorts of stuff. I also have a gaming channel where I'm playing games. You can check that out. That is called Biohazard. It's all in the description below, and it's all for you to look at. Okay, so yes, SuperbWigs.com, discount code AVA, A-V-A, $8 off. Go get yourself a wig, and let me know if you're gonna get yourself a wig, and let them know that you're there because of me. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it to the end, let me know. Comment a purple emoji, something purple. Maybe the purple heart. I like purple heart. I will see you next time. Alright, thanks, and bye! Mwah.